The survey, conducted by the Gambia Bureau of Statistics, obtained labor market information and essential socio-economic data required for policy formulation and decision-making processes. The GRTS Statistician General Nyakasi Sanyang said the Gambia is one of the countries with the latest labor force survey produced in line with the international standards.
The survey was implemented using statistical standards, recommendations and guidelines set by both the 19th and 20th International Conference of Labor Statisticians. The Gambia's first labor force survey was conducted in 1992. This was a small-scale study which covered only parts of the Greater Banjul area. The 2012 Labor Force Survey is the first national representative labor force survey to be conducted in the Gambia and was more comprehensive in coverage and in terms of following the ILO guidelines. However, the 2018 survey was more comprehensive in terms of coverage of indicators and content, but this survey is also better in all aspects, including setting of a program to maintain data quality.
The International Labour Organization is the UN agency that promotes rights at work, encourages decent employment opportunities, enhance social protection, and strengthen dialogue on work-related issues. Ajara Jalo is the agency's national project coordinator.
National labour force surveys are the main source behind essential indicators of the labour market and the world of work. Statistics in the labour force and its components play a key role in the design and evaluation of government socio-economic policies and programs relating to welfare, migration, education, and health, including job creation, vocational training, children's activities, and so on. On this note, I reaffirm ILO's commitment and continued support in improving labour statistics in the Gambia.
Kairaba Seka, ITC Technical Advisor, said the survey is a critical step towards understanding and addressing challenges faced by the labour force after the COVID pandemic, highlighting some of the rates obtained in the survey.
The survey results shows that the informal sector continues to be a very important employer, providing 79.4% of employment in the Gambia. And majority of those in the informal sector are in self-employment. This is a big opportunity for Gambia because if you provide the right environment, the incentives for them to formalize, it is an opportunity for taxes and economic growth.
Reiterating commitments for continued support, UN resident representative said the validation is timely as she shared some of the United Nations development plans.
This survey is very, very timely because we are entering a new program cycle, a new NDP cycle, but as you know also, the UN is about to sign its sustainable development framework, cooperation framework with the Gambia. It will be signed next month, and most of our UN agencies will also finalize a country program to start the new program cycle.
The Minister of Trade, Industry, Regional Integration and Employment, Babakar Ojuf, emphasized the significance of the survey in identifying areas of the labour market.
At the national level, the labour force survey enables governments to better understand the dynamics of the labour market and thus enable her to make informed decisions that foster job creation, improve working conditions, and the overall well-being of the workforce. As a critical part of public policy, labor surveys help government to assess its development performance in terms of people-centered approaches.
The 2022-2023 survey includes information in labor force participation rates, employment on population, unemployment population, hours of work, employment in the informal economy, education attainment and illiteracy, labor migrations, and number of child laborers. Reporting for GRTS News, I am Dado Cham.